Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Google Pixel 9. Okay, so let's begin. So first up we need to open up our WhatsApp. Now we need to tap on those three dots in the top right corner, and that's how we get into the settings. Now we need to find the chats. Now chat backup, and now in here below under the Google account we need to select our Google account. And remember that you will need that Google account to restore your backup in the future. So please don't forget the password to it. So basically when you will be setting your phone, simply type the same Google account. Otherwise you won't be able to restore it. And if you don't want that account, simply click on add. I need to enter my PIN to get through. Okay, and in here simply type your another Google account. Or if you don't have one, simply click on create. Alright, below we have something called the automatic backups. In here we have those possible options. Defaultly it will be set on off, but you can pick between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. So basically when I select it on weekly, just like it is right now, it means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's pretty convenient and comfortable option. Below we also have something called to include the videos. We can enable it and you can see how many megabytes it will be uploaded. And on the bottom we have something called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore. Alright. And now all you need to do is to simply click on this green button, backup. Okay, now the process has started. It didn't take that much because there's not that much messages on this phone, but above it you can see how long ago the last backup was made and also the size of it. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.